Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mangoes, those sweet, juicy fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also pack a powerful punch of nutrients. From boosting immunity to promoting digestion, mangoes offer an array of health benefits that you might not be aware of. So, let's peel back the layers and explore why adding mangoes to your diet could be one of the best decisions you'll make for your health. First and foremost, mangoes are loaded with vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections and illnesses. In fact, just 1 cup of sliced mango provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement. But that's not all. Mangoes are also packed with vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. Plus, they contain significant amounts of vitamins E and K, along with an array of B vitamins, all of which play crucial roles in various bodily functions. Another impressive benefit of mangoes is their ability to aid digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, mangoes can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. Moreover, mangoes are a rich source of antioxidants, including compounds like quercetin, isoquercitrin, astragalin, and fisetin. These antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Additionally, mangoes contain enzymes like amylases, which aid in breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, facilitating easier digestion. This makes mangoes a perfect post-workout snack, providing a quick energy boost to replenish glycogen stores. Lastly, let's not forget about the mood-boosting properties of mangoes. They are a good source of the amino acid tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. So, indulging in some delicious mangoes could lift your spirits and brighten your day. In conclusion, mangoes are not just a delicious tropical fruit. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. From supporting immunity to aiding digestion and promoting overall well-being, mangoes offer a myriad of health benefits that make them a must-have in your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.